our fellows were here. This is a Crawlspace, not an encapsulation, but we put down a vapor barrier, fast track system, sump pump, dehumidifier. We're about to go see that in a second, but here is one of our pop-ups. Guys did really good on that. Another pop-up right here. So let's go see what the Crawlspace looks like. Oh, also there is lights installed too. So that comes with what we do. Third pop-up. Easily accessible light switch. Here we are. The fast track system is placed under there. Pump. So if there's any moisture or water underneath this tarp, it's going to go right to that pump. All of these joists, every single one has been cleaned for mold, hand scrubbed with antimicrobial. Dehumidifier set, line going right to the sump pump. Let's see, lights on both sides of the trunk line. Over there, we have a humidistat fan set up right there. Also in the back. So it's not an encapsulation, but very good job from our guys setting up this vapor barrier. It almost feels like an encapsulation, I'm not gonna lie. Got it on 60% humidity in here. We installed that outlet as well. So very nice job from our guys. Everything is cut around the piers, tied down tightly. Nothing is really too loose. Got another humidistat fan over there as well. So we've turned this Crawlspace from a 0 to a 10 with the Restorations Pro package. So if you guys have any Crawlspace needs, anything like that, water damage, you think there's mold in your Crawlspace, make sure to give Restorations Pro a call. We'll come out and do an inspection. We'll get you on your way, and your Crawlspace can end up looking like this. Right here. This protects the health of the renters. This is a rental property. Protects the health of the renters from breathing in mold from the Crawlspace, because a lot of your air inside the house does come from your Crawlspace. So it protects their health, animals' health, even the structure too. It keeps everything from rotting under here, keeping that moisture out. So very important to do so. So if you want to give us a call, 423-520-6653, Restorations Pro, or go to our website, restorationspro.com. We'll be able to help you out with your Crawlspace. All right, thanks guys.